You got a camera?
Yeah, I do.
I like what's already in it.
What's it? Is there something?
I like what it says.
Oh.
You still ain't got it.
I don't believe it.
You said you wanted to buy a first orphan next year, so that's what you wanted, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
7 weeks and 2 days.
Yes. Yes. Towards yourself.
Are you surprised?
That's the best one.
I'll tell you. Kid or what?
It needs a picture, huh?
I was like, you're going to read it? No.
I like what's already in it.
We've been holding this in for nearly 3 weeks.
Yeah. I'll look at some time. Here, next way.
Here.
Congratulations.
Why am I the one not crying?
Because you've known for how many years. Did you cry when you found out?
Your mom know?
No, Mom and Dad will not